Hey everybody, I'm author Victoria J. Coe, and I want to welcome you here to my When I was about your age, I started getting really excited about these ideas. There are at least two sides to every story. And that helped me to understand that my way of looking at things isn't the only one out there. And I started to realize if two of us did the same things and then we told a story about it, no two stories would be exactly the same because we would all have our own. Everybody needs to have a strong imagination, no matter what age you are. And I'm going to show you how to stretch your imagination, come up with some ideas, and also how to ask yourself some really big questions. I'm going to show you one of my favorite games called What If. I do this all the time. If you were to look at any of my notebooks, you would see that they are filled with lists just like that. Remember last time when we considered things from a dog's perspective? We're going to kind of put them together. We're going to really dive in and be part of the dog and what do they want. So remember that we are going to give your imagination the ultimate workout. Ta-da! I have never done this before, everybody. Vision that you can imagine. Something that you can see only in your mind, where anything is possible. And I'm going to show you how. Are you ready?